This is how you can make $100 per day on YouTube without
I'm going to show you
creating
how to make money on YouTube without making any videos. There is something which is called
People are making
YouTube
hundreds every day
automation.
on YouTube without even making video.
Making money on YouTube without making videos. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's because it is. Today we will dive deep into the rabbit hole of YouTube automation. Is it really automated? And how people getting filthy rich with nothing but empty promises? Firstly, we need to understand what YouTube automation actually is. If you're a new or small creator, normally this is what you would do in a video creation process. First, come up with a good video idea. Second, write a script for it. Record the video or do the voiceover if you have a faceless channel. Fourth, edit your content. Fifth, make a good thumbnail and title. Finally publish your video and pray that it will get thousands or even millions of views. YouTube automation is basically the same, but you hire freelancers to do each step for you. A scriptwriter for a well-structured YouTube video, a voiceover artist for high quality and clean voiceover, a video editor for highest possible audience retention, a thumbnail designer to make eye-catching thumbnails, and even a YouTube channel manager to upload your videos to YouTube and do the rest of the job. And this is advertised as an easy and completely passive way of making money from YouTube. While other creators do the work for you, you can sit back, relax, and watch that YouTube AdSense revenue flowing. But in reality, it is far from the truth. Regardless of what you are doing on YouTube, it will never be easy and it will never be passive. And on top of that, this so-called business model can get very expensive, especially if you are just starting out. First, the idea of YouTube automation being easy. Unless you have millions of dollars to give random people just to make viral videos, YouTube is not easy. There is no concrete success formula with a limited budget. And regardless of the quality of your videos, some will work and some will just flop. You cannot upload relaxing rain sound or vacuum cleaner sound to fall asleep video and expect making money on YouTube. That ship has sailed. Your videos need to either provide value, entertain your viewers, or even better, do both. And no secret formula can guarantee you success and millions of views. Your best bet is learning about YouTube as much as you can and publish consistently while getting slightly better with each upload.
And you need to make hundreds of videos or improve something every time and just like get to the point where they don't.
But that sounds exhausting, right? So why not save yourself from all the trouble and try YouTube automation, because obviously it is a passive way of making money on YouTube. Well, it's not. Yes, you are getting other people, freelancers, or even part-time employees to get others create your videos, but that doesn't mean it is passive. You are now simply a business owner instead of a content creator. Now you need to manage that team of freelancers, find the best ones for your budget, contact them, hire them, fire them, and search for new ones. You need to set up the systems to make sure everything flows correctly, review their work, request revisions if needed. And still, you need to come up with the initial video ideas, which is arguably the most crucial part of regarding to a video success or its failure.
I can't say it enough, like I'll be blue in the face saying this until I think the day I die is like...
The idea is more important than everything.
You will need to take critical business decisions to scale up your channel and make it profitable. You then need to contact with brands to get a long-term or a one-time sponsorship deals to increase your overall revenue. And speaking of increasing your YouTube revenue, you will have none when you are just starting out. YouTube automation channels heavily relies on AdSense revenue, and even though YouTube lowered the requirements to apply YouTube Partner Program, it only enables channel memberships and super chats/stickers. You still need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to start making money on YouTube with ads. Remember, there are millions of YouTube channels and only 6% are actually monetized. And who knows how many videos it will take you to get there, and even if you do, is it going to be enough to cover the cost of your videos, let alone being highly profitable? Now let's try to get a rough idea about the cost of a simple 8 to 10 minute video through YouTube automation. And we will even exclude the manager job, that is going to be you. Quote unquote cash cow script writing for a 10-minute video, $50. The voiceover is going to cost you around $60, video editing, $60 again, and that is on the cheaper side. Solid thumbnails are between $10 to $20 and an extra $15 if we include a service for title, description, video text, etc. Basically an overall SEO optimization for each video. So one piece of content will cost you roughly $200. And as I said before, you will need to come up with the initial video idea, review the work of each freelancer, and ensure that the whole business is running smoothly. If you upload 2 videos per week, the monthly cost is going to be around $16,000. Let's say you are in the most lucrative YouTube niche, personal finance, and the CPM is around $12. You will then need around 4,500 views every single day, which equals 150k views each month consistently just to break even. And even in the best case scenario, you are not going to make any money from your first couple of videos because you have a brand new channel and it's not monetized. And you don't even know if a $60 editing or a $10 thumbnail is good enough in your niche. You may need to pay for higher quality services to stand out, and it will noticeably increase the total cost per video. So is YouTube automation a scam? For 99% of you, yes it is. For the remaining 1%, no. And many, not all, but many so-called YouTube automation gurus are making stupid amount of money out of that 99% by selling YouTube automation courses that cost thousands of dollars. So are you in that 99% or 1%? If you are already consistently making decent amount of money from your YouTube channel, you can start considering outsourcing some parts of your workload, whether it's editing, script writing, or titles and thumbnails. What you need to do is to determine what is your worst skill and which part of your workflow consumes most of your time. If what you are not good at also takes the most amount of your time, like editing for example, then you should start looking for a freelancer that fits your budget for that specific job. Because this way you are not only increasing your video quality, but also saving a lot of time so you can make more videos and make more money. All in all, I cannot recommend YouTube automation to anyone who is on a tight budget with a new or a small channel. You will first need to pay thousands of dollars for a course, then hundreds to make your first couple of your videos with no return of investment.
Is it possible to spend $200 on your first YouTube automation video? It somehow goes viral and you make more than $10,000? Of course it is. But possible does not mean probable.
YouTube is already filled with content that will teach you how to grow a successful YouTube channel. If you don't know the fundamentals of YouTube, what makes a video great, or what a clickable title and thumbnail looks like, you won't be able to correctly evaluate the work of the freelancers you hired anyway. So first, you need to grind YouTube yourself, learn the key points of it, and start making some amount of money. This is how I monetized and started making money on my brand new YouTube channel in just 21 days. Make sure to tap on it, and I see you there.